Hi guys, welcome to the Quiz Network. There are 3 exciting levels including numbers, letters, emojis and math questions. In this video, total 40 questions. Time limit 10 seconds for each puzzle. Every correct answer equal to 1 point. Thanks for sharing your score and feedback on the previous video. We have truly appreciate your support. Now, are you ready for this challenge? Let's begin with some easy level. Guys, today's challenge is very tricky. Find the odd number within time. Super job, you find the odd number within time. Look simple but not easy. Find the odd Shin-chan cartoon character. Great work. This one is the odd character. Can you find the odd letter like ND among HD? Amazing work. This one is the odd letter ND. Only number ninja master can find the odd number 75. Excellent work. This one is the odd number. Only super eyes can find the odd frozen within time. I like your eyes. You find the odd frozen. Only detective eyes can find the imposter letter like XP. You have amazing eyes. You find the odd letter. Are you a puzzle master? Then find the number 56. Amazing work. This one is the odd number. Only 10% can find the odd Doraemon within time. If you find it, like this video. Math challenge. Can you solve this math quiz within 10 seconds like 16, 3 and 9? Good catch. 10 is the correct answer. Super eyes can find the camouflage number like 43. Super cat. This one is the camouflage number. Easy level done. Medium level start. Observation master can find the odd letter like BEY. perfect spot, you find the odd letter. You have a detective eye, then find the odd demon hunter within time. Super catch, this one is the odd demon hunter. Are you smart? Then find the odd number within 10 seconds. Yes, you are smart. You find the odd number. Only alphabet spy can find the odd letter like D, F, C. Amazing work. This one is the odd letter. Can you find the odd Pikachu within 10 seconds? Fantastic work. This one is the odd Pikachu. Genius can find the odd number like 627. Yes, you find the odd number within time. Another exciting math challenge. Can you solve this math quiz within 10 seconds? The C option is the correct option. Are you a genius like Einstein? Then find the odd Mickey Mouse within time. Yes, you are smart like Einstein. You find it within time. Test your observation skill. Find the odd one within time. Yes, you did it. You find the odd number. Can you pick the odd letter like M, F, R? Awesome, you pick the odd letter within time. Can you pick the odd emoji like Tom and Jerry? Yes, you pick the odd Tom and Jerry. Can you find the strange number within 10 seconds? Excellent! This one is the odd strange number. Only letter hunter can spot the odd letter like H, J, X. Yes, you find it like a hunter. Think fast, find smart, find the odd boss baby within time. Yes, you find the boss baby within time. Impossible to find the odd number within 10 seconds. I know this one impossible, but you find it within time. Look closely and find the rule breaker letter like K or D. I know you have a sharp eyes. You find the rule breaker letter. General knowledge quiz. What is the name of the cowboy in Toy Story? The right answer give me in the comment box. Test your IQ. Find the number 714 within time. Your IQ is very sharp. You find it. Can you spot the odd letter like D or M? Yes, you spot the odd letter within time. Only super eyes can find the unique number within time. Perfect spot. You find the unique number within time. Medium level done. Hard level start. Only 1% can find the odd SpongeBob within time. Fantastic work. This one is the odd SpongeBob. Only sharp eyes can find the number 2568. Can you find the odd letter within 10 seconds? Super, you find the odd letter within time. Brain IQ, find the odd number. Challenge puzzle. Can you find the odd letter within time? Are you a Batman lover? Then find the odd Batman within time. Super work. This one is the odd Batman. Visual eyes challenge. Find the odd number within 10 seconds. Brand booster can find the odd letter within time. Can you find the different number within 10 seconds? The last one. Can you solve this math quiz within 10 seconds? The right answer give me in the comment box. Thanks for watching this video. Comment your score. How many did you find the odd numbers, letters, emojis and math questions? And subscribe the channel.